I can't pull coffee like Willy, so don't judge me. The best thing about these Machina takeaway cups, in my opinion, is that the lid, let me show you, has a spout. Do you see that? It's a very intricate part of a takeaway coffee. That way, you don't like spill it, or it's like an accurate sip. You'll understand where I'm coming from here. Machina is the cafe that my brother-in-law runs in San Susi. That is where Will has gone this morning, out to the south of Sydney, where I will link Machina's Instagram below. I run it, it's lit, it's great coffee. Tasty. Good Morgen. Is that German? Good Morgen? Yes. Good Morgen, friends and family. I have to put the clock back. Daylight saving today. Sydney, Australia. I don't think Brisbane do daylight saving, right? Queensland don't do daylight saving. We do. Sydney has gone forward an hour. Hooray! That means it will be lighter at night. A lot lighter. I'll actually be able to shoot a lot of content for my husband's work. Editing yesterday's vlog. Hell, my neck, I'm so sorry for people who don't like looking at, you know, breakouts or pimples or acne. I'm going to tell you the truth because I like to keep it real. You guys know how I am. Short nails is a love-hate situation or a bittersweet situation, because when you have really long stiletto nails, sure, you can pick your skin or pick things. However, you can't really feel every single little bump and nick and whatever and scratch it. Cut the nails off, I can feel everything. So if you look at me in the vlogs, I'm sitting there picking at my neck. I started picking under my chin, and I'm a picker, okay? I'm going to admit it, I'm a picker. I love picking. That's probably why my acne when I was younger was so bad, and why I have such bad acne scarring here, because I picked. And the number one rule is don't pick. If you don't pick, you will have greater chance at not having scarring. However, it is very hard to do. So my neck looked disgusting yesterday's vlog. I apologize. Real life, people, real life vlogs. Also, third time repping L&M, Biacho. She thinks I don't love her. We have a bit of a pull push in our relationship / marriage. She thinks I don't love her. Feline tea, amazing. L&M, check it out. I will link them below. I have been wearing L&M the past 3 vlogs. That's how much I love you, Jem. To also update you, the boys aren't here. So Will's out at the cafe. Mussie's still at my sister-in-law's. I'm going to pick him up now before his nap time. I changed out my garden party, which was really hard to do because it's such a user-friendly tote bag. Oh my gosh. I just adore that bag, the garden party. I really am. And in the rose potpourri, I'm enjoying it. Believe it or not, many people doubted that for the pink. But I changed out to this epic bag, and this is my Chanel Jumbo single flap with gold hardware. And I literally just put everything, one-handed, I literally just put everything that was in, oh, it's buckling, everything that was in the garden party just fits, bam, straight in the Jumbo. Jumbo single flap is super, super spacious. If you have one, you know that. We are going now. Was there anything else I need to tell you? Oh, we're going to pick up Mussie with Jill's. Of course. Joined at the hip. Oh, man. Am I in drive? Handbrake. Oh, my God. Why does he do this to me? Why does he do it to me? I'm trying to cope, people. I am just trying to cope. I'm trying to live out here in these streets. If this is ridiculously shaky, please do not come for me. We are in my husband's truck. I didn't want to do this to you guys again, but he has taken the Range Rover. It's a situation. I don't even know if this thing is in drive. Are we even going up this hill? We're doing like 20 Ks. Okay, get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Oh my gosh. Oh, this. Oh, right. No, never again. William, if you're listening, forget it. Do not take my car to Aunt Susie because you don't want to drive the truck. Oh, look, I put my herb out in the rain. And it's just sprouting. Jules is here. Jules is here.
Hi darling, it's Livy.
Now this is where a sister belongs. Yes, honey. We're in Jill's car. She is coming because we are going to pick up Massey from my sister-in-law's house, and because Willie has my car, thanks friend, because he has my car, I am not taking that truck out to Macquarie in this weather. Hell to the NO, people. No way. So I called on old Jilly, old Chooks. That's a new thing we were calling her. She got really upset. She said, don't call me a chook. Called on Mum. She's coming. She's just currently on the phone as per usual. She's actually on the phone to my godmother, Livy, and they're doing stuff. And that's the update. We will see you soon.
Is my bag in the back there?
Yes.
Okay.
Here she is.
I can hear that tapping.
Do you know what, doll?
What?
This car sitting at idle
Yeah.
has got a tremor.
It's tapping. Can't you hear it? Listen to it.
Well, it's idling not very smoothly is actually the technical term, if you'd like to know, from an ex-mechanic. And when you sit really still at idle, you right there?
No.
When you sit really still at idle, I should go back. Get out of here. And Willie gets angry that I drive on his grass. Yep, that's fine. When you sit still at idle, shush, it tremors.
Oh, it's tapping again in that bloody song.
Shush. Shush. So hi guys.
Hi guys. We're back again.
We're back again.
Oh wow. Just did the dishes. I'm the new dishwasher.
I came home to find the dishes done. I'm very thankful. But we need to, what's it, Ascot? Asco?
Yeah.
I need to book an online service because Williams, oh yeah, I'll do it, will be me in 4 weeks and the dishes will be hitting the roof.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to get little Mushay
Or you can use his plastic dishes.
and throw them in the bin. Way to go for recycling, Jules. Alright, we're going to get Massey now. Hooroo!
Hooroo!
Is that Aboriginal? Hooroo?
No, it's just slang.
Mum doesn't know the roots of this country.
It's not.
Hooroo it's Aboriginal.
It is not.
Yes, it is.
Spell it.
Google. Google now. Google it.
How do you spell it?
Hooroo.
Who?
It's like what? No. It's like WHOORHOO.
No such a word.
It is, Mum. I'm serious.
Okay,
I actually
Google
think it's an Aboriginal.
We'll be back. Bye.
We're gonna Google this. Hi guys. Hi. Is that your truck? Hi, Mushy.
She can't get her breath. Yeah, no, she can't get her breath.
Okay, go. And you're heading right.
Mommy.
Yeah, Baba.
Popcorn.
Oh, okay, I can't reach it. Put your head back, please. I can't reach it. Okay. So we have just come out that way. I said you're going right.
That's not how we came.
Well, we're not going back the way we came.
Oh, what?
We are. We're just not going. You don't go out that way. Okay. We have just picked up this little tot from my sister-in-law. Had a cup of tea. Wait the Alma. Mussy, wait the Alma. Bye, guys. Goodbye. Oh my god, you're so cute. We just had a cup of tea. Yeah, left. We just had a cup of tea and sat with my sister-in-law and my niece, and now we're back on the road. That is the update. We have this little guy with us. Anything you want to say, Jules? No. Oh, no. There's no way I put my cheek out like Jara. It's not good. Don't put your cheek out. Kiss a person. How bad is everyone? How Fresher just like encourage Mussy to kiss? Like everyone like coaxes him to kiss.
There. He's asleep.
Good.
2 trucks. Cow,
Monique Ashton's
Monster.
2 cars.
Monster truck and the cow.
And Ashton's 2 cars.
Half the bottle.
Bunny.
Dummy.
Bunny.
Okay.
Okay. You're going home now? Okay. You got a lot of paperwork to do.
I'm going out of your hair.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, hi guys. Mussy is still down. He's had a big party weekend at my sister-in-law's. I'm not sure when he's going to wake up, but this rain has definitely set in for the week. So it's going to be a little gloomy, but that's okay. I'm going to end this vlog here. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.